COVID-19 and the movement control order brought change to the fund management industry. But with change comes challenges. In this episode, our industry leaders describe the challenges they see impacting the industry.
As you know, to run an asset management company, you need to make sure that when the market comes down, your revenue will still stay quite okay. At the same time, you must also provide a good return to meet your clients' expectation. That's a very big challenge. We have to cope with the impact of the COVID-19. This will affect your top and bottom lines. So, definitely we need to adjust to this new environment. So how do we cope with this new environment? In our case, I think your research, your experience, your knowledge are very important for you to outperform, to ensure that you will be able to survive and weather through this crisis.
So it's going to be a new shift of how investors going to quickly shift and move and get into the new environment. So definitely this is going to be challenging not only for asset manager, I would say for investor shifting their so-called spending and investment pattern as well.
I think for fund houses is diversification of products. That's important. And not only because with digitalization, I think the coming of borderless market is sooner than later. I think fund houses we see it as one of the challenges to come out with diversification of product, alternative product. If we don't have the expertise in house, I think most of us were partners with the professional out there.
There are drastic change in the market, change to the market. In fact, investors are getting more sophisticated and market will continue to develop. And there's advancement in the technology and getting new and new for discovery on technology side. And there's also a new norm. Fund houses are no longer can sell the standard product as before. So they cannot just product push like that. UGCs, for example, so they need to have a better quality consultant, to need a more equipped consultant with the right approach. They also need to embrace with the ICT, the newer technology and the communication to improve the engagement between the investors and the consultant and the fund house. So we need to really improve ourselves to face the challenge.
COVID-19 and the movement control order has definitely shaken things up for all of us. Investor preferences have similarly changed as new options open up. As such, to cater to changing investor preferences, fund management companies must diversify their product offerings while maintaining good returns.